Canada Health Infoway is reporting on 2 projects. The first project is the Message Builder API. The purpose of this software is to simplify the implementation of HL7 v3 messaging. We have created developer APIs for Java, .NET, and Simple XML that allow application developers to work with business objects rather than HL7 v3 objects. The implementation is complete and field testing is to begin next month. The pressures on this project are that our funding is stimulus funding and must be spent in 3 years. We are also under pressure to roll out an EMR program across the country using this funding. However, our developers have been slow to adopt HL7 v3 due to the high learning curve for v3 messaging. The dependencies of our code is that currently the generator accepts MIF version 2.1.3, although we have transforms for other versions, and the APIs accept and generate HL7 v3 ITS 1.0 messages. The content of the package is a generator that takes in MIF and creates APIs for Java, .NET, and XML. The milestones are that all 3 implementations are ready. As you can see from the arrow chart, the implementation is currently complete. We're beginning field testing and hope to have that complete by September 2010 and to roll out the code to Canadian developers in January of 2011 and hopefully have the code available for wide release in the second quarter of 2011. Our second project is Conformance Services. This project is designed to provide a suite of tools that allow both developers and examiners to test whether a system has met its specifications and requirements and is focused on HL7 v3 messages. It will include a simulated environment for testing, logging and reporting functions, and a large amount of test material. The pressures on this project are that we need to develop it very rapidly in order to support the EMR program that I spoke about earlier. In order to do this, we are planning to take advantage of existing open source test procedures and tools. So the dependencies are the availability and suitability of those open source tools and how quickly we can adapt them to our needs. What has deleted is that we believe we finally have funding for this initiative, and the milestones are that we expect to issue an RFP within the next few months. This arrow chart shows that we have funding approved. We hope to have the RFP issued during the summer, have procurement complete early in the 3rd quarter, and because we are hoping to acquire an existing open source test system, we hope to have the implementation complete late in the 4th quarter or very early in the 1st quarter of 2011 and begin local testing immediately.